بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم اللهم اهدني فيمن هديت وعافني فيمن عافيت وتولني فيمن توليت وبارك لي فيما أعطيت وقني شر ما قضيت فإنك تقضي ولا يقضى عليك إنه لا يذل من واليت ولا يعز من عاديت تباركت ربنا وتعاليت.
O Allah, guide me with those whom you have guided, and strengthen me with those whom you have given strength. Take me to your care with those whom you have taken to your care. Bless me in what you have given me. Protect me from the evil you have ordained. Surely, you command and are not commanded, and none whom you have committed to your cares shall be humiliated, and none whom you have taken as an enemy shall taste glory. You are blessed, our Lord, and exalted.